This little house, measuring only 5.7 by 10 meters, is distinctive in that its roof design is a modification of the outline of a butterfly's wings. As can be observed, this little house leans toward the front, and nearly the whole front wall is made of framed translucent glass. Despite its small size, this tiny house includes a terrace that runs the whole length of the structure. It can be utilized as an outdoor space for family get-togethers and as a place to unwind. The drainage system of this house is made up of pipes that carry rainwater from the roof to a rainwater storage outside the building or in the yard via concealed drainage beneath the terrace. The living room and kitchen area are on the far left, the bedroom is in the middle, and the bathroom and toilet are on the far right of this little house. The spatial layout is linear and follows the building's orientation. This little space appears enormous since the living, kitchen, and dining areas are all designed in an open style without any walls. This small house can fit a king-size mattress facing the front opening, giving it a view of the front yard. This could be intriguing when the tiny house is in a lovely area. With a sink, shower cabin, and toilet, among other amenities, the building's farthest right section serves as a bathroom and toilet facility. By design, this is quite effective. Since these tiny houses are typically found in lovely, cool locations, their designers have taken the risk of maximizing the front of the structure with transparent glass pieces, allowing them to take full advantage of the natural lighting and views without having to worry about being exposed to UV rays. Observe me in the upcoming video.